Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video we'll discuss on the Visual Basic Programming, constants and the variable. What are the constant and what are the variable of Visual Basic Programming, and how to use the variable and the constant in the Visual Basic Programming 2019. So in Visual Basic Programming 2019, we have two main data type. The first one, we have the numeric data type, and the second one, we have non-numeric data type. So numeric data type refer to the integer or the numbering, and the non-numeric data type refer to the string or the value, text value, boolean, false and false, and so on. Okay, you can refer to table number 1, numeric data type. So in numeric data type, we have byte, integer, long, single, double, currency, and decimal. So these are the type for numeric data type. And then the second column, it shows the storage or the capacity of memory that being used. For example, byte, the capacity or the storage 1 byte. So the range of number, the range values for this data type starting from 0 until 255. Okay, you can refer to the column range of the value. This one is the range starting from which number until which number. So when you do programming, you should choose the right and the correct or the suitable data type for your variable. The second table show about the non-numeric data type. So under column type, we have string. We have string with the fixed length, string with the variable length, and then we have date, boolean, object, variant in numeric, as well as the variant in the text. The second column show the capacity of storage. Okay, for string we have length of string. For string variable length plus 10 byte, and then we have 8 byte for date, 2 byte for the boolean, 4 byte for object, 16 byte for the variable numeric, length plus 22 byte for the variant text. And the third column show the range. So once again, when you do programming, you must make sure that your data type is suitable with the value that you want to store inside the variable. Okay. This one is suffix and the data type. Okay, suffix for the literal. So how we want to use it? Okay, you can refer to this table. We have suffix with empirical n, data type long, and then we have the exclamation notation or symbol for single data type, and then we have sharp for double data type, and we have alias for the currency. How to use this one? You can refer to this example. Let's say we have variable num. So num is the variable name. So when you assign num equal to 1.3456 with the empirical n, so that means this value is referred to the long data type. When you write down num variable equal to 1.3456 with the exclamation symbol, this one, so this means this value is referred to the single data type. And when you write down num equal to 1.3456 sharp, so that means this value is double data type. And if we write down num equal to 1.3456 alias, so that means that is the currency data type. Okay, another example here, how we want to write a code in a visual programming. Okay, let's say we have string, so we must put double quote. Okay, for example, variable name equal to open and open, open and epin. Okay, so we must put double quote here. Okay, for phone number, we want to store the phone number in a string value, so we can put double quote here. So 010725134 equal to a string value for the phone number. Phone number is variable, this one is your value. And then for start date and timestamp, okay, this one is date, this one is stamp. So you can write down sharp, begin with the sharp and end with the sharp. So 31st December 2020 with the sharp, this one. So we can identify and recognize that this is a date, the variable for a date. Okay, this one a variable for timestamp. Okay, how we want to write down our variable in Visual Basic Programming and what are the syntax. So you can refer to this rule. The first one, it must less than 255 characters. Must less than 255 characters. No spacing is allowed. No spacing is allowed. It must not begin with a number. So that means you can start with 1, 2, 3 number, or 1, 2, 3 name, or 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And the period or symbol are not permitted. You cannot put any dot or any symbol in your variable name. Okay, for example, this one, the valid name of variable, my name. Okay, you can have a combination of variable with uppercase and lowercase. And you can have underscore here, sir underscore name, or room underscore number. Okay, this one is the uppercase, this one is the lowercase, this one is the valid name of your variable. Okay, this one is invalid name for the variable. You cannot have the symbol inside your variable name. You cannot begin with 1, 2, or you cannot begin your variable with number. And you cannot have the period here. You cannot have a dot, room dot number. You cannot have name dot first name. Okay, for example. So how to declare it? This is the syntax. Start with dim variable name 1 as data type. So dim refer to declaration, and then variable name 1. This one is your variable name as what type of the data type. So let's say you want to put double data type, so you write down dim num as double. Okay, or you also can declare like this one, dim variable name 1 as data type, comma, dim variable name 2 as data type 2. So these are two types on how we declare the variable name in our programming. Okay, look this example. Okay, under the subprogram, private sub, when you click on the button, okay, you declare the variable your name as a string equal to Safawi Rashid. So that means you put the value of your string, the value of your string data type or string variable, which is your variable your name, as Safawi Rashid. So you must put double quote here. Double quote here. Okay. And then dim my message as string. So my message also is a string data type. So my message you assign with all the best. Again, once again you must put double quote here. And then you display my message box in bracket my message, your variable here, and your name. This one is referred to this variable. So and a sum. So when you run this program, it will pop up a message box. All the best, Shafawi Rashid. Okay. So usually in Visual Basic Programming, we declare a variable name as this one, dim. We're using the keyword dim. However, we also can use another three keywords. Okay, another keywords in Visual Basic Programming, which are private, public, and static. Private is used when you want to declare a local variable. Static is used when you want to declare variable that being used for multiple time in your program. And for public, if you want to declare your global variable in your program. So these three type of declaration in Visual Basic Programming. Okay, the next part is the constant. Before this, we talked about the variable. Now we talk about the constant. Okay, do you know what are the difference? In variable, the value on the variable will be changed throughout when your program is running. However, the constant, the value of constant is remain when your program is running. Okay, constant are different from variable. The value of the constant do not change during the running of the program. When your program is running, the value of your constant is remain. So the syntax declaration for the constant, you must declare as constant here, const, constant name, put your constant name. For example, you can put name, number, your name, first name, second name, okay, as, and then followed by data type equal to the value of your constant. So for example, here we want to declare constant pi. So pi is the constant name, data type single, as single, equal to 3.142. So 3.142 is the value of your constant. After you declare the value of your constant, you can use your constant in your program. So example here, let's say you have private sub. When you click on button, you declare the constant pi as single and put the value 3.142 as the value for your constant. Okay, and then you declare another variable as a single 10, declare another variable as area circle as single data type, and then you do calculation. Area circle equal to pi, refer to your constant 3.142 times, using the asterisk here, r refer to value of 10 here, power of 2. And then after that, your program will pop up a message box. Area of circle with, this one, call the radius. Okay, area of circle with radius, r refer to the 10 value, and equal to area circle, this one, based on the calculation here. So this is how you want to call the variable when you display a message. So that's all for the variable and constant. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment. So see you next video. Please share, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you very much, and assalamualaikum.